Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is JUnit, and I'm going to give you a short demo using a test class. JUnit is a simple open source framework to write and run repeatable tests. It is an instance of the XUnit architecture for unit testing frameworks. JUnit, originally written by Eddie Kama and Ken Beck, has been important in the evolution of test-driven development. Test-driven development means you write the test cases first, then it will fail, then write the business logic code so that your test cases will pass, so that you have a robust business logic code or business logic application. So what are the benefits of JUnit? Unit testing belongs to test a single unit of code, which can be a single class for Java. JUnit helps us to code and test both during the development. So you can write your code as well as you can test the code that you have written during the development. JUnit ensures that the modification of the code will not break your system without your knowledge. So if there is any part of your code is breaking, immediately you will come to know by running JUnit. JUnit helps to test the legacy code automatically, because to test the legacy code manually it takes a lot of time. In order to avoid that, we can use JUnit. It takes very less time and it's really useful. I have written a very simple method called calc, which is going to calculate the factorial between 1 to 12. Okay, and there are conditions. If you are passing negative value, it will throw a illegal argument exception. If you are passing more than 12, it will again throw illegal argument exception. Otherwise, it will give you the results. So I have written a very simple JUnit which is going to test this particular unit. Very important is, if you have a class and it has multiple methods, please remember JUnit is at the unit level. Only it has to at the method level it should test by passing multiple inputs and what is the expected output it should check. Let's see the test cases that I have written. So for example, what if I pass 0, what should happen? What if I pass to that method 1, what should happen? And between 2 to 12, what should happen? Then illegal argument exception. So if you pass a negative value, what should happen? I'm expecting a illegal argument exception. If I pass more than 12, what should happen? So these are the different scenarios only to test these lines of code. Okay, so unit level you should test. So if you have 5 methods in your class, you should write test cases each individual method at the unit level. Okay, so let's run this test case. Let's see how it exactly works. I'm going to run this now. Let's see how exactly it works. What is the result it brings? So all our test cases ran properly, and say negative, positive, then more than 12, and if I pass 0, everything is completed. So it looks like this code is proper. So this is the purpose of JUnit test cases. And if you change any time this code and run this test unit JUnit test cases, it will show you whether it broke or not. Okay, hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.